Welcome to one of the most iconic and breathtaking natural wonders of the American Southwest, Horseshoe Bend in Arizona. Today, we'll embark on a journey to this magnificent meander of the Colorado River and uncover the secrets of its mesmerizing beauty. Horseshoe Bend is a geological marvel, a result of millions of years of carving by the Colorado River. Here, the river has sculpted a near-perfect horseshoe-shaped bend into the sandstone cliffs, creating a breathtaking vista that's nothing short of awe-inspiring. Horseshoe Bend wasn't widely known until the recent decades, and it was often a hidden gem among locals. But today, it has become a must-visit destination for travelers from around the world, and it's not hard to see why. To reach this awe-inspiring viewpoint, visitors must embark on a brief but thrilling hike across sand and rock. The path provides an adventurous prelude to the grandeur that awaits. As you stand at the edge of Horseshoe Bend, you'll be greeted by a jaw-dropping view of the Colorado River winding its way through the deep canyon below. The vibrant emerald waters contrast beautifully with the rich red and orange hues of the sandstone cliffs. For photographers, Horseshoe Bend is a paradise. The interplay of light and shadow, the vibrant colors, and the scale of the bend provide endless opportunities for capturing stunning images. While the views here are undeniably spectacular, it's essential to prioritize safety. The cliffs are sheer, and there are no railings. Take precautions, especially if you have children or are afraid of heights. The best times to experience Horseshoe Bend are typically during the early morning or late afternoon. The softer sunlight enhances the beauty of the scene and makes it more comfortable for visitors. Horseshoe Bend is not just a geological wonder, it's also an area of historical and cultural importance for Native American tribes. It's essential to respect the sacred nature of this place. Horseshoe Bend is a testament to the incredible power of nature and the beauty it can create. It's a place that leaves an indelible mark on anyone fortunate enough to stand on its precipice. Horseshoe Bend in Arizona is a destination that invites you to witness the grandeur of nature and capture its magnificence. It's a place where the Colorado River has created a masterpiece that truly takes your breath away. Enjoy your visit and the incredible views it offers. Discover the 10 things to do at Horseshoe Bend, Arizona in our new video. Keep the adventure going. Click the link in the description below.